Struggling with high blood pressure? In this video, we will show you natural foods that can help lower it fast and safely. These are easy to find, backed by science, and simple to add to your daily meals. Like this video and subscribe if you want more health tips that actually work. Let us get into the foods that can help your heart stay strong. 1. Leafy green vegetables for natural nitrate support. Spinach, kale, and arugula are loaded with potassium and nitrates that improve artery relaxation. These greens help widen blood vessels naturally and reduce pressure on inner arterial walls daily. Eating them supports fluid balance and helps eliminate excess sodium from your bloodstream quickly. They are rich in magnesium and fiber, which further improves circulation and muscle function also. Enjoy them raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or lightly steamed to preserve their full nutrients. Leafy greens also contain antioxidants that repair vessel linings and lower oxidative stress effects. Daily consumption reduces the risk of stroke, heart disease, and long-term hypertension damage. Add them to your meals every day and watch your blood pressure improve steadily without effort. 2. Beets and beetroot juice for instant circulatory boost. Beets contain nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers strain. Drinking beetroot juice has shown to reduce blood pressure within just a few hours of consumption. It supports better oxygen flow throughout the body and improves stamina and overall endurance. Beets are also packed with potassium and antioxidants that improve blood vessel flexibility. They fight inflammation, cleanse blood, and prevent stiffness in arteries and capillaries. Juice them fresh, roast them, or grate raw beets over salads to maximize daily nutrition benefits. Consistent beet intake helps maintain cardiovascular health and prevents early vascular damage. Include beets regularly to enjoy stronger circulation and more stable blood pressure levels. 3. Bananas for potassium and sodium balance control. Bananas are one of the richest sources of potassium, which counteracts the harmful effects of sodium. This mineral supports kidney function and helps the body flush out excess fluid from the system. Bananas help relax blood vessels, which reduces the strain placed on the heart and circulation system. They contain magnesium, which supports heartbeat regulation and prevents muscle tension inside. Enjoy bananas with breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or eat as a snack for quick heart support. They are convenient, portable, and naturally sweet without added sugar or harmful ingredients. Regular banana intake supports balanced pressure and lowers risk of heart disease over time. They are the perfect everyday fruit for maintaining healthy blood pressure naturally and safely. 4. Garlic for natural vasodilation and circulation. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that increases nitric oxide and dilates blood vessels. It reduces stiffness in arteries and improves the efficiency of circulation throughout the body. Consuming raw garlic daily has been linked to lower systolic and diastolic pressure readings. Garlic also helps manage cholesterol levels, improving overall cardiovascular resilience long-term. Let crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before use to activate its healing properties completely. Add it raw to salads, dips, or herbal water for stronger effect without losing its potency daily. Garlic's anti-inflammatory action strengthens artery walls and improves blood flow with consistency. This is one of the oldest and most trusted natural remedies for blood pressure control worldwide. 5. Oats and whole grains for heart-healthy. Fiber. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol and blood pressure daily. Whole grains support digestive health, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce arterial stiffness. Oats help reduce blood sugar spikes and support steady energy release without major fluctuations. Start your day with oatmeal, add oats to smoothies, or use whole grain bread for lunch and dinner. They help regulate the body's sodium balance and support healthy metabolism naturally. Avoid processed grain products that contain added salt, sugar, or preservatives that harm the heart. Oats are affordable and highly recommended in diets for high blood pressure and cholesterol issues. 6. Berries for antioxidant and vascular support. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are full of polyphenols that protect blood vessels daily. These antioxidants improve nitric oxide function and relax arteries to reduce pressure safely. They also reduce oxidative stress and inflammation that damage the inner walls of blood vessels. Berries are low in calories, rich in fiber, and sweet enough to satisfy without refined sugar intake. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or water to boost cardiovascular health and hydration. Even frozen berries retain their nutrients and remain effective for lowering blood pressure levels. Daily intake improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and enhances arterial flexibility gradually. Berries are a natural and delicious way to manage pressure and support heart health consistently. 7. Fatty fish for omega-3 fatty acids and artery health. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce artery inflammation. These healthy fats support smooth blood flow and reduce stiffness in vessel linings significantly. They help lower triglycerides, stabilize rhythm, and prevent clot formation inside the bloodstream. Omega-3s relax blood vessels and improve pressure response during stress or physical exertion. Aim for 2 servings per week of grilled or baked fatty fish to support your heart long-term. These fish are also high in vitamin D, selenium, and protein needed for cardiovascular function. Fatty fish are one of the best researched foods for supporting blood pressure and artery health. 8. Pomegranate for nitric oxide and antioxidant power. Pomegranate juice improves nitric oxide availability, helping blood vessels relax and expand quickly. It is full of antioxidants called polyphenols that protect artery walls and prevent plaque buildup. Drinking fresh pomegranate juice daily has been shown to reduce both systolic and diastolic pressure. The fruit is also anti-inflammatory and supports oxygen transport through improved blood flow. Pomegranate helps slow the oxidation of cholesterol that can lead to artery hardening over time. Consume it fresh or in juice form without added sugars to experience the full natural benefit daily. Its rich red color reflects the powerful plant compounds that support vascular strength efficiently. 9. Dark chocolate for flavonoids and artery relaxation. Dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa is rich in flavonoids that improve circulation. Flavonoids help blood vessels dilate and reduce resistance, which lowers blood pressure naturally. Moderate consumption supports nitric oxide production and protects against oxidative damage. Dark chocolate improves mood, reduces stress, and supports healthy heart rhythm with consistency. Choose small portions and avoid brands with added sugars, milk, or unhealthy chemical ingredients. Pair it with nuts or fruit for a balanced snack that supports cardiovascular health and satisfaction. Daily intake of a small square can support better pressure control without harmful side effects. 10. Low-fat yogurt for calcium and probiotic balance. Low-fat yogurt provides calcium and potassium that help relax blood vessels and reduce pressure. It supports fluid regulation and electrolyte balance essential for maintaining healthy circulation. Yogurt also contains probiotics that improve gut health and reduce systemic inflammation overall. Healthy gut bacteria contribute to better blood sugar control and lower cholesterol levels daily. Choose plain low-fat yogurt without added sugar to avoid harming cardiovascular health unintentionally. Add berries, flax seeds, or honey for added flavor and nutritional support without artificial ingredients. Calcium from yogurt strengthens vessel walls and supports consistent pressure regulation in the body. Regular intake makes it easier to manage blood pressure and maintain a balanced, heart-friendly diet. Now you know which natural foods can help lower your blood pressure quickly and effectively. Start adding them to your meals and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more real health advice and nutrition tips. Got a food or remedy that works for you? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching and take care of your health every day.